Horizon Mexico. For example, did you know the Horizon Arcade has just gone live? It's the best place to have fun, make friends, and earn cool rewards. So definitely head down and check it out. That was the news part, by the way, not the catchy tune. This is the tune. Ready?
You walk in the room, you stop and I stare. I'm too scared to move. You shift in the air, might make the sweetest moment sour. You're perfect and all, your hair is a mess. Well, I feel a quickening in my chest. I swear I haven't felt a beat for so long. Well, thank God, here I thought my heart was so rock, buried in shadows down deep, and I swore it would stop. And all these other rebounds felt like nothing at all. With you, finally, I've come undone. Lights down, camera action. Here's my next distraction. After all the dumb mistakes that I made, I'm ready for lights down, camera action. Here's my next distraction. After all the dumb mistakes that I made, I'm ready for a new heartbreak. I'm ready for a new We talk with our eyes, you give me a drink. My words are disguised, but what I am thinking, I just picture you. Well, there's that, close the check, we're calling a cab all the way home. And all these other rebounds never made the world crash with you. Finally, I feel like lights down, camera action. Here's my next distraction. After all the dumb mistakes that I made, I'm ready for a new lights down, camera action. Here's my next distraction. After all the dumb mistakes that I made, I'm ready for a new heartbreak. I'm ready for a go ahead and do your worst. Let's make it last or make it hurt. Here for whatever it's worth.
You're back with Amy, and huge news, Pulse fans. Carmen Perez Eliandra has heard of me, and she's actually sent a very nice message and some autographed car photos after I gave her a shout out on the radio. Said it's good to have friends at Horizon as we help her investigate this mystery in the wilds of Mexico. We're absolutely here for you, Miss Eliandra. Please accept this mysterious pop tune with my gratitude.
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
Do you even feel it?
Turn left. Turn left. In 400 yards, you will arrive at your destination. You have arrived at your destination.